The Mahayuti Alliance today called for an all-party meeting including its minister, MP, MLAs as well as other grassroots level leaders and workers where Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar addressed its party workers, also comprehending about what factors led to the poor performance of the Mahayuti Alliance in the Lok Sabha polls and also in a manner to pump up its workers about the upcoming assembly elections in the state of Maharashtra. After which, starting with Ajit Pawar, he did talk about the various schemes that has been launched by the Maharashtra government in the interest of women, farmers as well as youth, and he did also speak about how the opposition on one end claims that all of these schemes are of no use, but also at the other end talk about what should be done, and while the government tries to do so, they are being criticized for the same. After which Devendra Fadnavis spoke on two important issues, including that of the missing cooperation and coordination between the workers of these three prime parties in the alliance, and also spoke on how did it led to these people being affected during the entire situation. And somewhere Devendra Fadnavis also highlighted that why it becomes important during the Vidhan Sabha polls for the party workers to ensure that they not only promote their own party but also contest as well as promote the candidate from the other party of the alliance to ensure that votes are coming in the favor of the Mahayuti Alliance and not in that of that particular party. And he also spoke about how it is the issues of the farmers or as well as the women which are of prime importance for the leaders as well as the Mahayuti Alliance, where the opposition on one hand claims that the current government does not think about the interest of the farmers, but he did also mention that how right from sowing seeds to providing irrigation facilities as well as freeing the farmers from the electricity bill has been a prime agenda on the list of services to be provided to the people of Maharashtra for the Maharashtra as well as the Mahayuti government. On the third end, we see that Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, while addressing the people in a humorous way, did comment on how it was him who went amongst the people to conduct work, and it was not Uddhav Thackeray who used to only sit at home and do Facebook lives, and it was a work for him from home facility that he had got during his tenure as the Chief Minister in the Mahavikas Aghadi. And it also stated that the Mahavikas Aghadi in no manner assumed that in any form it will be them out of power and it will be the Mahayuti who will come into power. And Eknath Shinde on the other hand also claimed that why it is important for people to understand that it is their own duty to get their work out and get it known to amongst the people, and also it is a self-submissive effort that needs to be put up for people to ensure that votes come into for not only the Shiv Sena but it is also the NCP and the BJP who are a part of the alliance. And it was also Eknath Shinde who did state that not only the Mahavikas Aghadi but also he did comment on Rahul Gandhi for his khata khat comment that he had made during the promotion as well as the campaign process, where he stated that 1 lakh rupees will be transferred in the accounts of women. But however, we see that not because of any such efforts, we see that votes were in the bank of the India Alliance, and due to which we see that it was Eknath Shinde who commented on Rahul Gandhi by stating that this did not work for him, and it was eventually Prime Minister Narendra Modi who became as the eventual leader, and now it is in the hands of Maharashtra to decide who wins the 288 seat contest, that is the Vidhan Sabha polls in Maharashtra, leading to it is either the Mahavikas Aghadi or the Mahayuti Alliance who comes into power in the upcoming Vidhan Sabha polls. With video journalist Sachin Sawant, Ms. Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.